On Monday, a former Milford High School girls wrestling coach and his family filed a lawsuit against the Milford School District and several individuals.
Brooklyn Andrews joins us live now with the very latest on this story.
Yeah, Rob, Tricia, the lawsuit claims that former head coach Jason Babinec has been the target of false sexual misconduct rumors for the past several years. The accused include the Milford Exempted Village School District and 6 other individuals. The lawsuit also claims private information about Babinec's daughter Kenzie, who was part of the Milford girls wrestling team during the 2023 and 2024 season, was released during this time. Now, of course, we normally would not identify the girl or her parents because she is a minor, but the family wants to share their story. The Babineck family tells Fox 19 they've been subject to false, damaging, and persistent allegations that have gone uncorrected for nearly 2 years, which is why they've decided to file this lawsuit. We reached out to the Milford School District for comment on Wednesday, where they told us they do not comment on pending litigation or personnel matters. Jason Babinec served as the head coach for both the Milford Boys Junior High wrestling team and the inaugural Milford Girls High School wrestling team before voluntarily resigning in August of 2023 for personal reasons, according to the lawsuit. In November of 2023, a new season for the girls wrestling program began with new leadership. Jason's daughter Kenzie was part of that program at the time. According to the lawsuit, a quote, extreme conditioning session that left multiple athletes vomiting, crying, and passing out was held.
It was honestly a war zone is how I described it. And when the practice started, we were all handed a packet with a bunch of rules listed in it. And these rules were things such as, you are not to talk when I'm talking, you are to address me as yes sir, no sir. You are to listen to what I say with no questions asked.
Kenzie called her parents to the practice, in which they promptly reported their concerns to the athletic department, according to the lawsuit. January 26 of 2024 is when the Babineck family says false rumors began circulating around Jason and alleged inappropriate conduct involving wrestling coaches towards minor female wrestling athletes. On May 8th of this year, the Miami Township Police Department investigated 2 men whose names have been redacted from the report for endangering children and grooming. Babinec's attorney confirms with Fox 19 one of the men investigated was Jason Babinec. However, at no point was he criminally charged or arrested. Police closed the case with no charges. Claremont County Prosecutor Mark DeCalve did not respond to our request for comment regarding this lawsuit, but that decision was made, quote, due to no victims, lack of evidence, and inability to prove any elements of the crime, end quote, according to the police incident report. The Babinecs lawsuit alleges negligence, failure to report, and wrongful disclosure of student information in violation of federal law, as well as defamation against 3 coaches and 2 unaffiliated others. They say just because no charges were filed doesn't mean no harm was done.
A simple errand to the grocery store for us has completely changed. Completely. Just being out, you start to notice people are looking at you side-eyed, and you walk down an aisle and it just kind of parts ways.
They want to reclaim their names, protect their daughter, and see safeguards put into place to prevent something like this from happening to other families.
If there ever is, God forbid, if there ever is another situation like this, to have a better process, a better procedure, something better to follow.
Fox 19 has requested comment from all 6 individual defendants listed on that lawsuit. None of them have responded at this time. The Babinecs are seeking a jury trial, damages, attorney fees, and the removal of all online posts, videos, and/or documents identifying, referencing, or defaming them. In studio, Brooklyn Andrews, Fox 19 Now.
Brooklyn, thank you. Now, this lawsuit was filed 11 days after Milford High School's athletic director, Aaron Zupka, was placed on administrative leave.
In a statement from the district, his leave was, quote, not due to concerns related to student safety, staff conflict, or financial matters, but rather for other personnel reasons.
Now, we caught up with some Milford High School coaching staff yesterday who says they've received little or no communication from the district as to his absence.
Yeah, I think everybody's looking for a clarification on why he is on leave and when we might understand that and the ultimate decision around his role.
Following a Milford special board meeting on Wednesday, Fox 19 was shared an email that was sent by Milford to all of the coaches. The email said that Josh Kaufman will be, quote, supporting the leadership of the athletic department at this time. There was no mention of Zupka in the email. We're going to continue to follow the story.